Hi everyone, Matthew here at AAWeatherWatch, taking a look at the weather through the course of the coming weekend, Saturday the 29th and Sunday the 30th of July. And unfortunately, it will be an unsettled end to July with essentially a mixture of sunshine and showers. There is a region of cloud approaching from the southwest at the moment on satellite imagery. This will bring some longer spells of rain, particularly across far southern and southeastern areas of the country through the rest of Friday. But it is this region of cloud spiralling around an area of low pressure centred just to the northwest of the country, which essentially will again bring a mixture of sunshine and showers across all areas this weekend, but with the showers likely to be heaviest and most frequent through the course of Sunday. And unfortunately, as I've indicated, the unsettled weather will continue through the remainder of July, and unfortunately at the moment it does look as though through into the start of next week, which is obviously the beginning of August. Just taking a quick look at latest rainfall radar for you, and again, as you can see, there is a mixture of sunshine and showers at the moment. Some reasonable drier, brighter, if not even sunnier weather in between the showers. There's one band of showers running from the southwest to the northeast across some central areas, across parts of the north too, and as I've indicated, as the day progresses, some longer spells of rain will develop across far southern and southeastern areas, but otherwise, away from this region, then it will continue to be a mixture of sunshine and showers through the rest of Friday. So let's move on now and take a look at the forecast weather charts, put the details onto the forecast for the coming weekend. But just a quick look at the remainder of Friday, and as indicated, some wet weather potentially possible across the extreme south and southeast. This in association with the developing area of low pressure and this region of wet weather here. Otherwise, through the rest of the afternoon, again, it is a mixture of sunshine and showers, particularly across northern and western areas of the country. There's the wet weather just beginning to slip away to the east and northeast through into Friday evening. So into the overnight period and through into the early hours of Saturday, and again a mixture of sunshine and showers this evening, then being replaced by clearer intervals this evening and overnight. However, a few showers will continue across parts of the north and west, but we move through into Saturday morning and there will be some drier and brighter weather possible at times. However, as is indicated, through the course of Saturday, it is a mixture of sunshine and showers. The showers most frequent across parts of the north and west through into the afternoon. Some of these showers locally heavy, perhaps with some even thundery downpours across the extreme northwest. But as you can see, there is something of a north and west, south and east split in the weather as you move through the course of Saturday. So the further south and east you are, then the fewer the showers will be here. So there will be some decent drier and brighter conditions here. But further north and west, then the showers will again be locally heavy and certainly more frequent. So we move through the remainder of Saturday and into Saturday evening, and the mixture of sunshine and showers continues. This will then be replaced by clear intervals overnight, but also with a continued risk of some showers across parts of the north and west. This more persistent region of wet weather just to the southeast is, at the moment at least, forecast just to miss the country, so remaining to the southeast overnight on Saturday and into Sunday. So we move through into Sunday morning, and showery weather will be in evidence already across many northern and western areas of the country. Some drier and brighter conditions potentially across parts of the south and east, but watch what happens through the course of the day. The showers become increasingly widespread. This is around about the middle of the day on Sunday, and then through the course of the middle of the afternoon, as you can see, the latest forecast weather model essentially showing a risk of showers almost anywhere across the country through the course of Sunday afternoon. The showers locally heavy, certainly a risk of some thundery downpours. Don't be surprised to see some lightning as well, perhaps even a little bit of hail for good measure too, in what will be a particularly unsettled day for the end of July. Yes, there will be some drier and brighter intervals in between the showers, but again, there will be a lot of showers as the Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening progresses. And essentially we end the weekend potentially with some drier and brighter weather developing across the extreme south and southeast into Sunday evening, but otherwise the showery weather will continue throughout the whole of the day, and these showery conditions are then set to dominate into the early part of next week as well. So let's move on and take a quick look at the temperatures now for the forthcoming weekend. And overall temperatures will be a little bit below average for late July. It certainly will feel pretty cool in quite breezy and wet conditions as the showers pass through over the weekend, but equally in any sunshine it shouldn't feel too bad, especially across parts of the south and southeast, and that will be the case through the course of Friday. Highs around about 16 or 17 across some parts of the south and east ahead of the more persistent wet weather later on this afternoon. Temperatures this evening and overnight into Saturday not falling any lower than around about 11 or 12 degrees Celsius. So we move through into Saturday. Temperatures recovering again near, if not a little bit below average. Temperatures always lowest across parts of the north and west, no higher than around about 14 or 15 here, potentially 16 or 17 degrees, however, across some southern and eastern areas in any brighter weather on Saturday afternoon. Saturday night and through into Sunday, temperatures again probably no lower than around about 10 or 11 degrees Celsius, and we move through into Sunday and temperatures, if anything, perhaps a degree or so lower than compared with Saturday, probably primarily due to the risk of more widespread showers. Temperatures potentially no higher than around about 15 or 16 degrees across some extreme southeastern areas, and further north and west probably no higher than 14 or 15 degrees in what will be a particularly cool day on Sunday for the time of year. So let's finally summarise that in our weekend weather summary. Saturday the 29th and Sunday the 30th of July. Essentially a weekend of sunshine and showers. The most frequent showers will be across parts of the north and west, especially on Saturday, but then as we move through into Sunday, all areas of the country will be at risk of some showery weather. Local downpours are possible, along with isolated thunderstorms too. It will certainly be a cool weekend for late July, particularly on Sunday in the more widespread showers, but feeling pleasant enough if you manage to escape the showers on Saturday in particular and get some bright or sunny intervals. So that's all the details for the forthcoming weekend. Thanks for tuning in. As ever, I'll be back with you early next week, taking a look at the weather for the opening week of August. So thanks for tuning in and have a great weekend.